pleasure to present to you the Biosfera Gasification Project. Welcome, everybody. So, Biosfera Gasification Project is a municipal waste conversion to zero landfill and green energy. As simple as that and nothing more. And this is a presentation by True Green Energy Group and the Spectrum Blue Steel Corporation, and of course with VOGA Brazil. Well, Biosfera Gasification Project is an environmental protection industry. The objective is to protect the environment, eradicate the waste in landfill. It means it's zero landfill industry. So definitely, you heard that they are talking about power. This project produces power, but we are not a power plant company. So, this is an industrial plant that converts organic municipal solid waste into a zero landfill. So, a repetition of my presentation is, the main objective is zero landfill. We will eradicate your landfill. But the most interesting component is that during the waste conversion process, green energy is produced. So, on the process of eradicating your landfill, we are producing green energy. But we are not a power plant company. The way others explain is that in the manufacturing industry, they just call it a byproduct, not the main product. So, I want to show you the simple process of waste conversion. Assuming that this is the residual garbage, we will transform it into 7% solid waste. And that solid waste can be used as aggregates and therefore zero solid waste. No more landfill. And classification of waste in this time is still in infancy period. A lot of companies still in trial and error because of heterogeneity of the fuel from the waste. Every time the heating value change, the boiler pressure change, fluctuation in energy, and you have a problem in the grid. So, with the Biosfera Gasification Project, they have induced what we call a high level of automated control on the firing of the mixed gas to maintain the calorific value of the end gas while the feedstock is not uniform. So, of course, the number 2 features that our emission is the international acceptable flue gas. Okay, this is one sample of the deliveries of the biosphere, totally inside on the 40-footer container van. One unit, 3 megawatts, will be delivered in 3 pieces of 40-footer container van. And this is the operational technical specification. If the calorific value of the waste is 7,000 kilojoules per kilogram, the biosphere will only be using 1 ton per megawatt. And this fuel is already in the form of RDF. Now, if the municipal solid waste have been pelletized, they call it RDF, refuse derived fuel. The greatest challenge of engineers in designing, or the most failures of engineers in designing was the moisture in the municipal solid waste. If the design engineers cannot control the uniformity of moisture in the fuel, the heating value will go down, and it will create a massive, or what we call intermittent fluctuation of energy production on the system. So our normal capacity 2.5 megawatt, the internal energy is only 5%. However, if we will be used some in the MRF and RDF, so this will increase a little bit. This is the operating temperature, and of course, since it is a pyrolytic gasification, we will be needing induction of external energy, and that is 5 liters of liquefied natural petroleum gas per hour. So our project by True Green Energy Group in Spectrum Blue Steel Corporation now is the nation's partner in the Philippines for zero waste in green energy. And I believe the next time we will visit Brazil, this will be changed with VOGA Brazil. And now, this nation will be changed with Brazil's partner is zero waste in green energy. Thank you very much and good afternoon.
Bom, pessoal, eu agradeço vocês mais uma vez a presença, a disponibilidade do tempo. Agradeço também os engenheiros que puderam estar aqui nessa jornada. Já está se encerrando, eles estão retornando para os seus países de origem no dia 15. Chegaram aqui dia 6, né? Dia 6 de outubro até hoje.